You all probably seen it already, but I'm sure you won't complain at seeing it again. The first English Premier League goal to be scored by Jamaican international Leon Bailey. It was a peach of a strike to send his new club Aston Villa 3-0 up against the up to then unbeaten Everton. But here why me want to highlight the goal again though. I think it is of wider significance to the future of Jamaica's football that Leon Bailey continues to rise and shine, and that generations of aspiring young Jamaican players can see Leon Bailey elevating his game and conquering new heights in football. It is imperative that little Jamaican boys and little Jamaican girls continue to see and believe that a born and bred ghetto youth from Jamaica can, through smart and hard work, with great personal decision making, and of course with proper guidance, can rise to the very top in football. So we cannot see this goal too often. We hope it's the first of many more to come. But see it again.
And here's Leon Bailey. And he is very, very fast. Bailey has lashed it in! Now this is quite something. Aston Villa are ripping it up in front of the Holt End. Irresistible. And Villa Park has a new hero. Boy, he left nothing to chance.